Welcome back to Beautyistic, where beauty meets real, honest insights. Let's talk lashes, specifically how to get them voluminous, bold, and fluttery, with a little help from L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer and original Volume Building Mascara. Whether you're aiming for all-day drama or just want a little extra lift, this dynamic duo promises to take your lashes to new heights. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, we have the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara Primer, which is designed to thicken your lashes and give them a voluminous boost. This primer is infused with chamomile extract and vitamin E, two ingredients known for conditioning and nourishing lashes. The formula works to create a soft base, preparing your lashes for the ultimate mascara experience. Now let's talk about the brush. It's a volume-maximizing wand that coats your lashes evenly, ensuring no clumping and creating a full, even base. On top of that, the original Volume Building Mascara is where the magic truly happens. This mascara promises to build lashes up to 5 times their natural thickness. What's great about this formula is its ability to resist clumping, giving you a smooth, voluminous look with each coat. The brush is designed to deposit just the right amount of mascara without overload, which means your lashes get to stay soft and flexible, not stiff or crunchy. Now, let's talk about real-world testing. I use this duo both during my daily routine and in more intense conditions, throughout a busy day, through all the usual stress, and even some accidental eye rubbing. What I found was pretty impressive. The mascara stayed in place, and there was no flaking by the end of the day. I also appreciated that my lashes felt lightweight, not weighed down, thanks to that conditioning primer. The brush worked like a charm for an even application, no clumps, and a noticeable increase in volume without the fuss. But like all products, this duo has its pros and cons. On the plus side, the formula is buildable, so if you're going for dramatic lashes, you can layer it up without worrying about clumps. The primer is conditioning, which gives your lashes that soft, healthy feel. The brush is effective, and the packaging is sleek and easy to handle. On the downside, the primer itself can feel a little heavy if you're not careful. And if you're someone with sensitive eyes, you might notice a slight irritation, although I didn't experience this personally. So what about value for money? You're getting 2 products in one bundle, primer and mascara, for a price that's definitely on the affordable side for the quality you're getting. Both formulas feel luxurious, and the results are in line with higher-end mascaras, so this set provides solid value for what it delivers. Is this the best mascara combo on the market? There are a few competitors out there, but for the price and performance, I'd say it stands tall. For those on a budget who want high-quality lashes without the premium price tag, this is a pretty solid pick. In terms of build quality, the packaging is lightweight but sturdy. The mascara tubes aren't overly bulky, and the wand is easy to maneuver. As for longevity, I've been using these products for a few weeks now, and the formula hasn't dried out. There's a good shelf life left, which is a plus for those who don't use mascara daily. If you're considering this set, it's worth pointing out a couple of alternatives you might want to check out, especially if you're in the market for a slightly more luxurious option. There are other high-end mascaras with similar volumizing effects, though they tend to cost more and may not always be as beginner-friendly. But if you're all about maximizing lash volume without breaking the bank, I think this set from L'Oreal is a great choice. To wrap it up, this duo delivers on its promises of voluminous, full lashes with impressive staying power. It's budget-friendly and works well for everyday use or special occasions. I'd recommend this for anyone looking to elevate their lash game without splurging. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you're interested in giving it a go, check the link in the comments or description box below. And hey, if you've tried this mascara duo, drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.